In the U.S., SunGas Renewables Inc, a global provider of gasification systems for low-carbon fuel production, announced an agreement with Arbor Renewable Gas LLC to implement Arbor Gas' Spindletop renewable gasoline project in Beaumont, Texas. The project implies building a factory for the production of 345,000 barrels annually of renewable gasoline from wood. As far as I understand, one company specializes in gas generators, the other in catalysis reactors. The project package includes gasification technology, process design, and the major equipment systems such as wood waste feeding, gasifier reactor, fine separation, ash removal, tar conversion, SunGas cooling, and SunGas filtration. Additionally, SunGas is providing training and technical services during construction, commissioning, and startup. The package also includes conventional equipment warranties and a guarantee for SunGas performance. Second news from the USA. In August 2022, Red Rock Biofuels LLC announced that they have successfully tested their innovative technology that gasifies residual woody biomass feedstock into aviation fuel and diesel. Frontline Bioenergy will produce gas generators, and Red Rock Biofuels will make fusion reactors. It is planned to produce approximately 20 million gallons per year of liquid fuels from woody biomass. Ukraine. Electricity shortages are intensifying. Rolling blackouts will be more frequent and more widespread. The electricity shortage in Kyiv could reach 30%. There are now only 600 to 800 megawatts available instead of the required 1,000 to 1,200 megawatts. A number of critical facilities have been rendered inoperative. People have to get ready for emergency power outages for an indefinite period. That's all for now. See you soon.